Hi everyone, this is Anna and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I made this pretty skirt in a super easy way. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna draft the pattern on a paper. Measure your waist and draw fourth part of it at the corner like I did. Measure wanted length and mark it from the waistline. I also reduced a bit from side so the skirt won't be too volumetric. Then I draw the side seam and also highlight all lines that we need to cut. So this pattern is half of the panel and we will need two of these panels. For this skirt I will use stretchy velvet fabric. Dimensions are 1 meter and 50 centimeters wide and 1 meter long. So I already cut my panels and also I cut the belt. Both skirt and belt double layered. Belt is 10 cm wide and half of the waist measurement long. The skirt and belt has to match. First I'm gonna sew all the side seams on a belt and also on a skirt. For sewing this stretchy fabric, I will use 4 thread overlocker seam and 2 needles. Seam should look like this. Once you sew the side seams, fold the belt in half and pin it to the waist of the skirt. And then sew it. Overlock the bottom of the skirt first and then fold 1 cm inside and make a stitch on a regular sewing machine. Here is how the seam should look like. After you sew everything, it's good to iron each seam. I used cotton piece of fabric to cover my skirt to avoid burning and traces. I decided to add elastic inside the belt, so I made a little hole and put the elastic inside. Now I'm gonna sew the hole by hand. Here is how it turns out. Let me know what do you guys think about this style. I'm really happy to read all your comments. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you learned something from it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I will see you in my next video.